Now, you might want to step back. Okay. Further.
Yeah?
Yeah. All right. No, a little further. There you go. All right. Euro training. Euro training. That's one. All right, we're gonna start this off nice and easy. One. There we go. Two. Oh yeah, feel the burn.
I could do that.
Three. Now Euro training. Euro training. Euro training. Your turn. Okay, this is a pretty good pace, but we're gonna kick things up a notch, okay?
Okay.
All right, you might wanna step back.
Step back.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Your turn.
This ain't bad. I can do this all day. Whoa.
Okay, let's take this up a notch.